5 years ago, I repainted the front end of our Xterra using Rustoleum Universal Spray Paint. It started by disassembling the front end of the Xterra, which is very easy to do. You need a 10mm, a Phillips head screwdriver, and a body clip tool. Body clip tools are cheap, and this one comes with 100 Nissan clips. You'll break probably all of them taking it out. So first I disassembled it, put it out in my backyard, and I cleaned everything with Simple Green and Brillo. And I painted this area with black stainless steel. I painted these silver parts, there's two of them, with satin nickel. And the black waffle grill that sits behind the Nissan logo, I repainted with gloss black. This paint is fantastic. It covers beautifully, a wet edge stays nice and clean, and you can see I have it upside down there. You can really spray on any angle with them. The results were fantastic. I love the color, the durability, all of it. 5 years later, it still looks fantastic. There's a couple little chips here and there, but for the most part, I would not be doing anything with it except that this happened, so I'm going to have to take it off and repaint it. My wife came home with that. She has no idea what happened. Maybe someone in a parking lot. I mean, I wasn't there. How would I know? It is a mystery.